In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use event pages in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know how to add an events page to your site, customize it, and set up an email automation to highlight your events to subscribers. Start on your site's dashboard and open the website section. From there, head into Pages. In the Pages panel, find the Not Linked area. This is a handy place to build new sections without showing them in your public navigation while you work. Click the plus icon to add something new. When the panel of page types opens, choose the Events option from the Groups area. This creates a dedicated events collection designed to list upcoming and past events with built-in date, time, and location fields. Next, select a template that matches your site's look and feel. Templates only set a starting style, so don't stress. Everything can be adjusted later. Give your new events page a clear name. Descriptive titles like Events, Workshops, or Calendar make it easy for visitors to understand what they'll find. After naming it, open the page and click Edit. You're now in the page editor where you can customize the layout and content, adjust headings and intro text to explain what your events are about, and refine the styling so it's consistent with the rest of your site. As you add or adjust event items, make sure each one has a concise title, the correct date and time, and either a location or a note that it's online. High-quality images and short summaries help your listings stand out. Remember to save your changes as you go. When you're done customizing the page, return to your main site menu by clicking your site title in the sidebar. Now let's promote those events. Open Campaigns, then go to Automations. Click Create Automation to start a new workflow. Choose the Engagement category to access presets designed to boost interaction. Select a highlight style preset to feature a key update, perfect for drawing attention to an upcoming event or announcement. Click Next, then choose an email template that aligns with your branding. Clean layouts with clear calls to action usually perform best. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Create Automation. If you see a confirmation step, confirm by creating it again. Finally, review the automation settings, make any final content tweaks, and click Activate. Activating turns the workflow on, so be sure your event details and email content are accurate and ready for visitors. That's it. Your events page is live and your automation is set to highlight it. Save your changes, preview your site, and you're ready to share your upcoming events with the world.